Hello, Mrs. B here, and today in history will continue our topic Ancient Egypt. This is lesson 5, part 1. So we're going to find out how did ancient Egypt change over time, and our learning objective is to know and understand the chronology of ancient Egypt. Chronology means the order of events. When did it happen? And we'll be using a timeline. So let's have a look. So recap, what is a timeline? So this is a timeline and here are the dates. And on the timeline, you would record or you would put all the important events. So here is the birth of Jesus Christ, and anything before Jesus Christ is called BC, and anything after Jesus Christ is AD. Here again, you've got another timeline, and the star means Jesus Christ was born here. Again, you've got BC, and as you can see, the further away you're moving from Jesus Christ's birth, the bigger the numbers are getting. And here, after Jesus Christ, again, the numbers are getting bigger on this side. So let's have a look. So when is BC and AD? BC refers to the years that come before the year 1. AD refers to the years from year 1 onwards. Did you know there is no year 0? The year 1 BC is followed by AD 1. So there's no 0 in the middle. BC before Christ, AD after Christ. So just to recap, this refers to any date that was before the year Jesus was born in Christian belief. And AD means in the year of our Lord and means anything after Jesus was born in the Christian belief. So, ancient Egypt was divided into 3 time periods. 1. The Old Kingdom, 2700 BC to 2200 BC. During the Old Kingdom, a pharaoh called Djoser lived in Upper Egypt in the capital city called Thebes. He ruled Upper and Lower Egypt. He wanted to build great pyramids to show his power. He was the first king to be buried in a pyramid. So this is one of the first pyramids. You can stop the video to have a look. The pyramids of Giza, built in 2490 BC. During the Old Kingdom, the most famous pyramids were built at Giza by the pharaoh called Cheops. He also built the Sphinx, and that is the Sphinx. The capital of Egypt was moved from Thebes to Memphis to be closer to the pyramids of Giza. Again, stop the video to have a look. The Middle Kingdom, 2200 BC to 1500 BC. Amun holds an anchor, which is the Egyptian symbol of life. There it is larger. During the Middle Kingdom, Egypt was growing rich and powerful. The pharaohs created great armies to protect them from their enemies. Scribes began writing more information down. Egyptians began to worship a god called Amun, god of the sun and air. Pharaohs stopped being buried in pyramids. No more pyramids were built. 3. The New Kingdom, 1500 BC to 1075 BC. During the New Kingdom, the pharaohs used their great army to take over more land. Egypt was growing very powerful. They used horses in their battles, sometimes riding them, and sometimes they pulled chariots. That's a chariot. This meant they could move faster in battle and overpower their enemies. They began to develop better weapons made from bronze. Pharaohs began to be buried in the Valley of the Kings, close to Thebes in Upper Egypt. One of the most famous pharaohs of the New Kingdom was Tutankhamun, and this is his death mask made out of solid gold. Now go to part 2.